Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome to the rough and ready Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, in which we are still at war with the Aztec Empire, but their fleet's pretty banged up, and I think we're about to start doing some pretty terrible things to their planets. Along the way, so I have these fleets. I've got some reinforcement fleets that I think I'm going to send up towards Arcturus so that we can start researching some of these debris patches we have. There's some really good debris over here that I'd love to get a hold of. Get a hold of some of this Aztec tech, you know, because any way we can get a hold of tech is good, right? Right. So I think this main fleet we're going to send over to Jaundice, although there's no spaceport there. Oh, one of the things that I did during the break, I spent a lot of money, or a lot of minerals, excuse me, partly upgrading our, or setting up some construction on our core sector planets, but another thing I did, instead of building a bunch of space vessels, like a big old fleet specifically, I went to the Crossroads sector, and what did I do? I built several spaceports, and I built and I upgraded several of the spaceports that we have over here, mostly so that I could end up this could be our main place where we build our fleets. That way, if anybody, you know, say these guys, this major heartland here is fairly what's it called? It's fairly exposed. Probably nobody's going to come over all the way over here to destroy spaceports. So we'll always have a really great spaceport core that's not very exposed that we can replace our fleets with. So there's that. Let's actually go here. Let's make sure that they're not rebuilding their spaceport. They are rebuilding their spaceport. Okay. Oh, they're already there. Come destroy this. Thanks.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Transport fleet, okay. Oh, whoa. There is a battle group in there. It's a 3,000 power battle group that just jumped in. Yeah, you should probably jump back out. Where'd they go? Okay, they went to Aurelia. You know what? New orders. Go here. Oh wow, the Tendrakians are doing some stuff. Tendrakians, don't hurt yourself. Oh, they're jumping out. Okay.
Research complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
And here we go. Yeah, okay, research real quick. Plasma thrower, yeah, that's right. That was really quick. And the energy weapon damage thing is still there. Nice. Unlocks component subspace sensors. You know, actually, I think... yeah, this increases our accuracy. I think we go with the subspace sensors. That's only 24 months. Oh my goodness. Only 24 months. It's kind of pathetic how that's like a big deal. I think we may have just lost that transport fleet, which is really too bad. And we're going to lose a destroyer.
Situation log
or not.
Updated.
Yeah, we didn't lose anybody. Wow. They jumped out. That's what happened. Yeah, this is not going to go well for you guys. Oh, hang on. Fleet combat stats. Don't need that. Is there about to be a fight here? Not that I can tell. Yeah. Nope, don't do that. Go kill that. Go kill that. Oh no, hang on. Oops. I didn't have my fleet selected. That will do it. Go kill that. There we go. Okay. First Fleet, so-called. Go to Arcturus. You just head straight here and research that. All right. Bronca, what are you doing? Lazy construction ship. Where are you? Oh, did you finish that? Excellent. Observation posts. Yes, let's go to technological enlightenment. We're losing so much society research off of that. Okay. I think that's it. We got the one in Castan. Yes, we do. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, what are we gonna do? I wish construction ships could assist with, like, construction of things on planets or something. That would actually be pretty cool. But 'tis not to be. I guess you come on over here and build some mining stations. I guess. There's not that much else for our construction ships to do right now. But there probably will be soon. Okay. Let's
Construction complete.
kill this poor spaceport.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Oh, and we're going after the mining ship. The mining place. That's too bad. What's this? Okay. First Fleet, where are you? Be here. Building has been ruined by the Castilian repatriarchs on Butok. Oh, that's too bad. And an election for a new high priest is underway. Okay. Hopefully they won't be a separatist this time. That would really
Hostile
stink.
fleet engaged.
Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, that's not a big deal.
Station under attack.
Hang on. Where's that? Station under attack. What is this? Oh, really? What is this? It's not that. It says stations under attack. I have no idea where that would be, actually. Oh, is that a... Yeah, that's a... what's it called? That is a hostile wormhole generator, I think. Oh, it's a frontier outpost. Why is this red? Interesting. Where is the station that's under attack, exactly? That's a science vessel. That doesn't count. Yeah, Papal State, we're coming for you. Yeah, no idea where the station under attack is. It would be nice if it told me. But just one moment, please. Sorry about that. Oh, one thing I just remembered. We want to destroy whatever it is up here that's allowing them to... they must have a station up there. That's what I'm figuring. What was that? It's a transport fleet, okay. What do we got? Okay. Battle. Good. Okay, guys. Come with me. Come on up here. I think it's right there. We're gonna go blow up their station. We may put our own in there instead. Scientist Francesco Morosini has leveled up. Good, good, good. What's going on there? Okay, it's a construction ship. What is this? It's a very small third battle group.
Debris analyzed.
Excellent. What do we get? Devastator torpedoes, plasma accelerators. Okay, let's figure this out, science ship. Actually, both y'all. Come down here. Yeah, come... So, okay, first fleet, move here. Science ship, research, and then research, and then research. Okay.
Research complete.
Okay.
Situation log updated.
Sebastiano Cornella has been elected as High Priest of the Serene Republic of Venice. Cool. Real quick, research complete. Cruiser assembly yards. Oh, finally, nice. Okay. Very good. Matter compression, armor 5%, armor plus 5%, excuse me. Fusion missiles, we may just go fusion missiles just to do it. We will not be researching these anytime super soon because I think we may pick up more of these techs. So let's go towards, let's just get fusion missiles. Fusion missiles. That's worth 9. Or that's only 9 months, so it's fine. Do we have any available? No, we don't. Oh, we're at the maximum amount of leaders. I suspect something. I suspect... Whoa, hey! How come you don't have an admiral? Or... Yeah, you do have an admiral, okay. It's really weird. If you look at this, it says, Admiral Silvestro Contarini is available. Okay. He's busy, actually. Jacopo Donato. We don't need you. Go ahead and go away. I believe a lot of the folks, when they are High Priest, after they serve their term as High Priest, they become governors. So, I agree. Let's get me a scientist. Don't need survey speed. Statecraft? Nah. Well, yeah, statecraft. He's young. Let's go for that. He's 30. They're now more expensive. Selected lineages. Okay. Selected lineages. They get better stuff to them, but they're expensive. So there you go. So 56 months remaining on the psionic army. That's too bad. That's okay. We might start using them. We'll see. Okay. Where's our main battle fleet? Right there. Okay, good.
Hostile fleet detected.
Hang on. This one? I think so. Transport fleet 256. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. That's what I thought. Okay. Fleets. Killed that. That's the thing.
Construction complete.
What's that? Oh. That's smart. They actually sent a science vessel up in there. We should do that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, first fleet, don't do anything. Just sort of hang out. Actually, first fleet... Ooh. No, just hang out here. Wish you could tell it to escort something.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Of course, they're gonna go after the mining station first because it's in the way. You can't just go past it, right?
Hostile fleet engaged. Construction complete. Debris analyzed. Construction complete.
Debris analyzed. What do we get? More Devastator torpedoes and plasma accelerators. Sweet.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Hang on. Okay. There we go. Oh, interesting. Didn't quite eliminate the pressure around here. I wonder if over here. No. Maybe. 47%. 47% war score. What do you think, guys? Is it time to just start occupying our way, or blockading our way to victory? I think it might be. Yanok Small Research Station. Well, guess what? It's going to be ours fairly soon. Let's send the fleet over there.
Construction complete. Debris analyzed.
More Devastator torpedoes and plasma accelerators. Good, good, good. We're going to get so much progress on that. Oops.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
What do you mean hostile fleet engaged? Debris in Yanok's Maw. Something just sort of appeared and then ceased to exist very quickly, which tends to happen when you have a 6,000 fleet, 6,000 size fleet. Well, and they don't have much going for them. Nope, that's not it. Go up here. I want to destroy whatever it is that's allowing them to have this much influence in this area. Is that it? No. .48%
Debris analyzed.
Stuff now. Devastator torpedoes, plasma accelerator, carrier operations. Nice. We will pick up carrier operations before too long here. Okay, Cassini, you've been great. Let's have you do some more stuff. There. Where's the good debris? There's a bunch in Ridgeon and Aurelia. Okay. I know what to do. First things first. Actually, where's Schiaparelli? You're still over there. Look how far he has to go. Actually, once you get there, come back to Venice. Don't bother going all the way there. Go to Venice. Upgrade fleet to latest designs. Yeah, do that. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get Cassini and the First Fleet to wander up this way. We're gonna survey some stuff. Cassini, you're gonna be busy. Actually, you know what? All of First Fleet go up there. Actually, First Fleet go here. Cassini. Survey system. Be passive, though. We may run into trouble, but I kind of doubt it. Okay, guys, come on down to here-ish. Actually, what's more important for me to get more... You know what? Cassini, don't do that. Go to Ridgeon. First Fleet, go there too. Alright. The capital of the Aztecs.
Construction complete.
Hang on. Hostile fleets present. Interesting. Can you get out of there quick enough? Oh, no, better yet. First Fleet. New job. Kill. Sorry. Kill, and then kill. Cassini, don't do that. Just get to Ridgeon. Because I want their tech. That's what this is about.
Hostile fleet engaged.
That's good. Okay. We may actually lose some stuff in this, but I kind of doubt it. Let's watch it.
Situation log updated.
Is that a heavy hitter? I forget. No, it's a point defense, actually. It's kind of interesting. This battleship isn't doing anything in the battle. Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, hang on. Construction ship. Construction ships. Oh, don't be lazy. Whoa, hey, hang on. Cassini already made it. Whoops. Well, I think you have time, but... Second fleet? What are you doing? I thought I told you to get down here. Go kill this. No, go kill the station. Thank you. Cassini, continue to be lazy. It's fine. Construction ships. I'll just deal with you later. Oh, we're at the cap. Okay. Who wants money? Hey guys. Hey, my little vassal dudes. Oh, you didn't actually get anything for that. You know what? Let's offer a trade deal. They won't do migration access, but we'll do research agreements. Yeah, we'll make it nice and long. And then we'll just give you a crap ton of credits too. There. Now just have money. And then let's take a quick look at our sectors. We really don't need that much money. I think it means we need a bigger fleet, right? I think that's what that means. Here you go. Have some more cash. Yeah, these places don't even know what to do with the money. But they're never going to go bankrupt. It's going to be nice. Oh, you know what? You actually... Why don't you take like 400 minerals as well? Might as well. We have almost 6,000 minerals even after that. So, good times. Cassini, continue to be lazy for now. Yeah, of course you accept my trade proposal. I don't actually see their fleet. Inferior. Their fleet power is inferior. Okay.
Construction complete. Research complete.
Ooh, nice. Crap. Subspace sensors. Nice. We'll have to upgrade our designs here in a sec. Improved assist research. That actually is not a bad idea. And it shouldn't take that long. We're going to avoid the rest of these until the end of the war. Yeah, let's do it.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay.
Construction complete.
What's this? Oh, hey! The Koreans are here. Nice. Very cool. Okay, well, we'll play with you. Give us a minute. We're busy. We are busy. Oh, and actually, hang on. Can I tell what they're sporting? I think maybe I can. Because I didn't realize that. Can I see what they're, what they got? I'm not seeing their weaponry. They're wormholes. Okay. Oh wait, ship details. Oh, interesting. So they have a little bit of lasers and torpedoes. Or maybe this one. It's a different Ripper autocannon. Ooh, take 2. I want the second. I want the Ripper autocannon. That's what I want. I'll take that off you. Okay, so they're mostly giving. They're mostly using a lot of missiles. Okay, so we're gonna really focus on point defense ships. Ooh, we're at 50% war score. It's very nice. Okay.
Station under attack.
Hang on. I know where that is. There's not much we can do about that. We're about to lose this. Oh my goodness, that's a really good one too. No! We may need to go win another war. Let's blow this up first. Treaty with the Iroquois consciousness is timed out. We'll deal with that in a sec. Actually, I'll deal with that over the break.
Situation log updated.
Guys, merge up. Science ship. Research. 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 Let's do it. I think we're going to do that in a different episode, however. We have some reinforcements to our fleets coming in. And actually, let's make... well, we'll start bombarding this place fairly soon. And yeah, that'll be nice. And then we will split our fleet up just a bit. Actually, we may split the fleet up. And then come and destroy this thing just to get rid of it. I'll figure out what my construction ships are going to do, and actually I may build a few more vessels. That could be really good. That could be really good. But that's all going to be really good in the next episode. Until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I hope you're enjoying the Aztec Empire on its little downfall. It'll get even better. But either way, I look forward to seeing you next time.